2005-2006 Nissan Murano all-wheel drive. Rear wheel hubs assemblies. We're going to replace them here. Just wanted to show you here how to already start it. Remove the tire, caliper, bracket, and caliper at the same time. You can see right here, 2 bolts out in the back, 19-inch ratchet, wrench, whatever you want to use. Remove the wheel, the rotor. Rotor right here. Then we're gonna have the nut. Nut is 32, size 32. Gotta get this lock out first. Sorry guys, hard to do it with one hand, but it's not too hard. You got it out. Then it's a 32, like I said, for the nut. I'm gonna use this air impact. Okay, done. Now you want to heat it up a little bit so you make sure it's loose. Then we're gonna have four 17-inch bolts out in the back, which are those ones right there. 1, 2, 3, and 4 out on the other side. Usually just hit them. Hit him with the with this. Oh, this one's loose. Bottom one. Bit this one. Same process. Loose. Third one down here. Loose as well. And then the last one would be this one. Some of them are a little bit tight, but not too bad. Sorry, camera is a little bit foggy. So they're already loose. Just taking them out. don't know why my camera's so foggy. It's like it's not focusing or something. For the fourth one, be down here. As you can see, like I said, 4 bolts out in the back, 17-inch. You have to take the 2 from the caliper bracket, then the nut 32, and then it's ready to get out. What we're gonna do, we're gonna hit it a little bit with the hammer because there's a lot of corrosion up in there. So as you can see, just hit it right here. Sorry about this. I'm only using one hand. So. Hit it right here. And then it's loose. Just push the axle back and it will come out. As you can see, this is the wheel hub. That's how it looks inside. How it looks inside. Some kind of plastic cover right there for the ABS sensor right here. And installation, just put everything back that we took out. You know, you put your bearing, 4 bolts out in the back. Make sure they go in one by one. Then you put your caliper bracket and the caliper. Well, the rotor first, caliper and caliper bracket, and then your tire, and you should be fine. Thank you guys.